The ANOME blockchain runs as an EVM-compatible layer-to network, meaning it's compatible with Ethereum smart contracts but optimized for faster speeds and lower gas fees using a proof-of-stake consensus. This makes it scalable and developer-friendly, allowing easy migration of dApps from Ethereum or Polygon. Tokenomics overview: token name, ANOME symbol, ANOME total supply, 5 billion tokens circulating, supply, 1.8 billion as of October 2025. Consensus mechanism: proof-of-stake, postcore utility, governance, staking, transaction fees, in-game purchases, and AI data access. Initial launch price 0.8, peak price so far 0.47, current price range 0.20, take 0.30 to fluctuating daily. One of the project's most innovative features is the ANOME AI engine, a decentralized analytics layer that uses on-chain and off-chain data to forecast token trends, NFT valuations, and gaming economy metrics. Holders of ANOME tokens gain access to these AI-generated insights, which can help them make better trading decisions. Additionally, ANOME has introduced the ANOMEverse, a Web3 gaming ecosystem where players can earn tokens, collect NFTs, and participate in DAO-based governance. This blend of AI, gaming, and DeFi positions ANOME as a multi-sector crypto, similar to how Render UNDU bridged graphics and blockchain, or how Gala Games integrated gaming with DeFi rewards. Market performance: price, volume, and competitor comparison. Over the past 3 months, ANOME has shown one of the most volatile price trajectories among mid-cap altcoins. The token launched quietly in early 2025 but exploded in popularity following listings on Gate.io, MEXC, and Bitmart. After its airdrop campaign in May 2025, trading volume skyrocketed from 2 million daily to over 65 million within a week, signaling massive speculative interest. As of mid-October 2025, ANOME trades around 0.3, with a market cap of approximately 90 million. The coin's recent price action has been characterized by sharp spikes followed by healthy corrections, a typical pattern for emerging tokens entering mainstream exchanges. On-chain data from Dextos shows increasing liquidity pools and steady growth in holder count, now exceeding 48,000 wallets, indicating organic adoption. However, nearly 12% of the total supply remains in staking contracts, which can influence volatility when unlocked. When compared to competitors like Render UNDU, Fetch, IFET, and Artificial Superintelligence Alliance ASI, ANOME is still small in scale but arguably earlier in its growth curve. Investors looking for a high-risk, high-reward AI blockchain project see ANOME as a speculative play that could deliver 5x returns if it continues expanding partnerships and exchange listings. Pump or dump analysis: bullish or bearish? Now, let's address the big question: is ANOME a pump or dump? From a technical analysis perspective, ANOME's recent chart movement shows bullish momentum, but with caution flags. On the daily timeframe, the token has consistently held above the 50-day moving average MACD since late September, signaling medium-term strength. However, there's noticeable resistance around the 0.30 37 zone, which has been tested multiple times without a clear breakout. The SI levels are hovering near 68, suggesting the token is approaching an overbought zone. Bullish indicators: strong community engagement on social media platforms Telegram and X. Increasing wallet holders and transaction volume on decentralized exchanges. Upcoming CEX listings rumored for CAO 2025. Whale accumulation patterns detected by on-chain scanners. Several wallets holding ANOME have not sold since mid-August. Cross-chain integration plans with Arbitrum and BNB chain ecosystems. Bearish indicators: around 20% of total supply still held by early investors and team wallets, which could lead to future sell pressure. Limited real-world adoption of the AI engine and gaming modules as of now. Most use cases remain in beta. Height-driven pumps often attract short-term traders rather than long-term holders. Volume spikes sometimes coincide with influencer promotions, a red flag for coordinated speculative activity. In short, ANOME currently leans bullish, but the rally may be fragile if fundamentals don't catch up soon. If the development team delivers on its roadmap and utility grows, the coin could sustain a genuine pump. If not, traders might witness a steep correction, potentially a temporary dump before stabilizing. Future potential: 2025 and beyond. The future of ANOME largely depends on execution. The project's roadmap outlines several key milestones: CAO 2025, launch of the ANOME AI prediction dashboard beta; COIN 2026, expansion of ANOMEverse gaming ecosystem with 3D NFT collections; Quota 2026 cross-chain bridge integration with Solana and Base. 2026 partnership with data analytics companies for institutional-grade API access. If these deliverables materialize, ANOME could position itself as a leader in AI-integrated DeFi and Metaverse experiences. Analysts speculate that the token could target a price range between 0.10 to 0.15 by mid-2026, assuming broader crypto market growth and successful rollout of its products. The community-driven approach and staking model provide incentives for holders to remain engaged, while the DAO governance structure ensures transparency in decision-making. ANOME's fusion of AI, gaming, and DeFi may help it capture a share of multiple booming sectors in the crypto market. Risks and warnings. What investors should know. Despite the excitement, investors should exercise caution. ANOME remains a relatively new and speculative asset, with high volatility and dependence on market sentiment. The following risks should be noted. Liquidity risk. While volume is growing, sudden market exits by whales can cause steep drops. Keen transparency. The founding team remains semi-anonymous, which can raise accountability concerns. Regulatory risk. AI and DeFi tokens are increasingly under scrutiny. Compliance issues could affect exchange listings. Pump and dump susceptibility. Given ANOME's social media hype cycles, coordinated pump groups might manipulate short-term prices. Technological risk. If the AI tools fail to deliver reliable predictions or the gaming metaverse fails to attract users, the token's utility will suffer. For these reasons, ANOME should be approached as a high-risk, high-reward investment ideal for those comfortable with volatility and capable of managing short-term losses in exchange for potential exponential gains. Conclusion: is ANOME worth it? So, after evaluating all aspects, fundamentals, market performance, technical signals, and risks, ANOME Coin stands at a critical point. It shows genuine innovation with its AI-integrated blockchain model, growing community, and expanding ecosystem. However, it's still early stage and vulnerable to speculative swings. For traders seeking short-term momentum, ANOME offers promising volatility and potential upside if bullish sentiment continues. For long-term investors, it might be worth accumulating small positions and monitoring project updates before going all in. Ultimately, whether ANOME becomes a lasting part of the crypto market 2025 or fades into the noise of Altcoin news today will depend entirely on its execution and the community's continued belief in its vision. If the team can deliver the AI ecosystem, onboard partners, and sustain development through the next bull cycle, ANOME could evolve from a trending token into a legitimate blockchain project with long-term staying power. If you found this ANOME coin analysis helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more Altcoin news and crypto market 2025 insights, and drop your thoughts below. Do you think ANOME is gearing up for a massive pump or headed for a dump? Let's discuss it in the comments.